Hey everyone, we are in the beautiful and highly sought after city of Smyrna, Georgia. The Windward Collection at Terrace at Riverview Landing are new construction townhomes built by Meritage Homes, whom, as you may know, set the standard for energy efficiency. This model home is the Opal plan. It has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and 1,800 square feet. The price for this plan starts at just $427,000. I hope you enjoy this property tour. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking to relocate to the Atlanta metro area, give me a call or text me. I can't wait to become your lifetime realtor.